So in this video, I'd like to introduce you to 5 of the most accurate and strong Tradingview indicators that I've ever come across. You are really fortunate that this video has come your way. You may easily experience effective scalping trading with these 5 indicators. In this video, I assure you that if you apply these few indicators in your trades, you will perform better than a professional trader and become a millionaire. We'll show you how to utilize these indicators and which indicators to pair with them for a high success rate. So please pay close attention to this video because I will teach you many extremely vital elements. I hope you liked the earlier videos, but I'd just like to remind you to subscribe to our channel. Now moving on, I'd just like to remind you that you may easily develop a lucrative personal strategy for yourself by integrating these 5 indicators. Let's start with the first indicator in the search field. Find the Auto HP indicator. Insert this indicator into the chart. It begins once you add the indicator to the chart. Now let's analyze this. First, let's look at the indicator settings. I disabled the tables option to make the chart appear more empty. The indicator is now ready. Let's go through how to use this indicator in more detail. This indicator first analyzes the chart and determines whatever pattern is generated in the chart, and then based on the pattern formed in the chart, it sends a buy or sell signal and displays the position targets on the chart concurrently with the entry point. Here it gave a sell signal, and based on his chart analysis, I determined the goals for this trade. Put your stop loss order here. Examine how nicely the targets in this position are shown in the correct location. This is the goal. See, the objective here is 2. We have officially entered the live market. Now I'm curious to see where this will lead us. In a moment, you will understand the significance of this indicator. Based on price action, this indicator analyzes the chart and reveals harmonic patterns, as well as the ideal entry and exit points from the buy and sell positions. Working with this indicator is straightforward and rewarding. If you look closely, you will notice that the time frame is 1 minute, and this indicator has recognized the market trend in this short time frame by sketching price action patterns and has a smaller percentage of false signals. This approach can analyze any currency in any time frame and provide very accurate alerts based on price movement and harmonic patterns. All of the time frames will be tested later. Now I'd like you to pay attention to it. I use the Homo method in scalping trading and have earned a lot of money with it. Therefore, I display it on a real-time chart. As you can see, I have no knowledge about the market's future, and the chart is moving in accordance with the indicator's analysis, and the price has also achieved its objective. Let's try a buy position with this signal first, then move on to the next one. The price recovered here, and I was able to close the transaction profitably. We are now waiting for the indicator to analyze the chart and generate a purchase signal. When it does, we'll take a buy position. So our indicator reanalyzed the chart, discovered a pattern, and gave a buy recommendation based on this harmonic pattern. This was the prior price reduction, and as you can see, it gave us another purchase signal. So as you can see, I am now entering the buy position. The goals are specified by the indicator itself. This is the first objective. This is the second objective, and this is the third target, and the stop loss has been set based on price activity. From here, the preceding position issued a sell signal, made full profit, and then instantly issued a buy signal. You can see for yourself that I tested the indicator on a genuine and live chart to demonstrate its effectiveness. We're watching the price chart to see where it goes. I'll speed up the movie a little bit so you don't waste your time. If you look closely, you will notice that our indicator has provided the name of this pattern. I'm going to add the CCI indicator to this chart to determine the price chart route. I go to the indicator settings and make the necessary modifications to provide us with better results. So the CCI indicator validates the sell signal and reveals that the price chart's direction is correct. It has also validated the continuance of the downturn and offered an exit point from the trade. So I used the CCI indicator to assist me to determine the direction of the price chart. We see that the price chart wants to rise, therefore I close the CCI indicator and wait for this position to meet the targets. The first target was successfully struck. The price chart achieved the second objective. We are no longer waiting for target 3 because the indicator has given us a sell signal, and we are exiting the trade with a profit. You can see for yourself that the candle went out. Now, let's see if it truly works well in 5 minutes. I'll shorten the time limit to 5 minutes. I re-added the indicator to the chart. Can I disable this option to clear the chart? Yes, the indicator has issued a sell signal here, and as you can see, I start selling from the starting point. This is target number 1. As you can see, the price has risen near to goal 2 and is now back here. The indicator identifies this harmonic pattern in the Bitcoin chart and generates a sell signal based on it. Let's add the following indication and merge it with this one to the chart. Now, let's find the Williams indicator here. Go to the Williams indicator settings and make some basic modifications to add this indicator to the chart. I'll just change the number 20 to 40 now. The Williams indicator is now operational, so I added the automatic horsebar indicator to the chart. The indicator is examined once again to reanalyze the chart. The Bitcoin 1-minute display will pause for a time. After analyzing the data, I discovered a harmonic pattern and sent a sell signal here. Our indicator has signaled a sell and identified the entry spot. To validate the indications, we employ the Williams indicator. I'll take up the sales roll here. So the candle has made it to the opening goal. We'll have to watch if the price hits the second objective. The Williams indicator has validated the auto HP indicator signal accurately, and this signal is entirely legitimate. If you employ the Williams indicator and obtain a confirmation signal, this technique has a 100% success rate. If you wish to gain from this technique every single time, use the Williams indicator to confirm the signal. Let me put this method to the test over a longer period of time. I'm confident you'll be astounded by the strategy's success. So we are now on the 4 to 5 minute time frame chart. The auto HP indicator has given the following buy signal. I also placed the necessary stop loss. See how correctly the Williams indicator generated a purchase signal in this case. Can I add a vertical line on the chart to help you understand? The yellow line crosses the blue line from the bottom up, signaling in a timely way. This is one of my most accurate personal tactics, which I am sharing with you as a free present in this video. Please support me by like this video. Now let's run a 1-hour time limit test. The indicator is thoroughly analyzing the 1-hour Bitcoin chart. It has already signaled 3 times to enter the position. I looked at the last signal to see where it came from. This area's signal has issued a buy signal. I scribble a horizontal line. The Williams indicator also gave a buy recommendation in this case. And now I'm going to draw a vertical line here. Both indicators confirm the purchase signal. Now here's something important. Before employing this approach, ensure that all 3 tasks have been successfully completed with a profit. Attempt multiple times on various charts, and apply this method to your scalping transactions once you're certain. Please share this video with your friends so that they may benefit from the method as well. I hope you get the most out of this strategy. Watch this video at least twice from beginning to end so there is no confusion. And also, keep an eye out for my future strategies. I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We'll post once every single day. Hope to see you here next time. Goodbye.